right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be testing out the Sketchboard Pro. I just got it delivered and we are about to see what all the hoopla is about. Of course, you know, guys, smash that subscribe button, hit the like. It'll help the channel to grow and it will be appreciated. All right, first gonna just take a look, see what's going on here. All right, that's just a short little guide right there. All right, and this is the Sketchboard Pro for the MacBook Pro. All right, looking good. Okay, I'm just gonna change the camera angle so you guys can get a better view. All right, guys, just getting ready to unbox this. It has the protective little cushions around here. Hold these things here. Let's get that box to the side. If you look here, it has some legs. Stand right here for portrait and landscape. I'm just gonna get my iPad here, remove the Apple Pencil. All right, get this off the case here. The directions said to put it in on the right side first. You want your power button up here and your volume so you can still control them. And what's cool about it, it can hold the pen here or up here. And you can change it from landscape. Oh, sorry. Still should have left this up. From landscape to portrait. Smooth on the sides, no complaints. It's really flush with the rubber seal in here. All right, I am ready to go. All right, we're gonna put this thing to work right now. All right, let's get started.